I tried dropshipping with the untapped method on Facebook. I got a massive result. Day 1. Facebook dropshipping. Getting my page set up. And then some products research. Day 2. Learn the basic of how to make a post look professional. Added some products to the spreadsheet to make them easier to keep track of. Then did some more product research. Good products make or break your performance in dropshipping. Day 3. Today I really focused on finding cool products that had good picture. Found this cool cactus that had some good pictures. Then found some more products and listed them. Everything is coming together and we're getting close to our first sale. Day 4. Didn't really do too much today because I got my wisdom teeth out this morning, but I wanted to do some work. Apparently shops work better for getting sales instead of personal, so I decided to start working on that. Made it look as professional as I could. Still a lot of work to be done though. Then did some more product research and looked into zeedrop because it helps you list a lot faster. Day 5. Didn't too much today. Not feeling the best obviously, I had to get some work done. Added products to the spreadsheet to make them easier to track of. And then watched some videos to learn how to fulfill orders. Day 6. Focused on making as many listings as I could today. Found some motivational wall art that I think could sell. Then I listed them and put them into the product spreadsheet. Day 7. Focusing on listing as many products as I can. Found a school sign and decided to list it. Added about 15 listings to the store today. Then added them to the spreadsheet. Day 8. Listed a ton of products today. Trying to focus on margins, finding the best products with the highest margins. Day 9. Did some research and tried to find some different suppliers. Then I found some products I think could sell and listed them. Day 10. Looked more into zeedrop today. Them obviously did some listing. Did about 20 today. Day 11. I downloaded from Fox and Trilodos make everything super fast and super quick. Then I used that to list some more products that I think could sell. 12 day. Short day today. Really all I did was list products. Day 13. Today I looked for some different suppliers and found to be one iCloud use. Day 14. Found some outdoor furniture that I think could do well. Mostly looking for summer products and Father's Day product. Day 15. Looked for Father's Day product today. Then listed the product I found. Day 16. Looked on Amazon best-selling lists. Don't really like to look here's BC, it's very saturated. Then I listed what I found. Obviously I couldn't list name brand products, but I listed what I could. Day 17. Took the day off yesterday for my day. Looked for graduation sings and banners along with some boating accessories. Then I listed them and added them to the spreadsheet. Day 18. Listed more outdoor furniture today. Then added them to my spreadsheet.
I thought I'd give you guys a little update. I started learning how to do Facebook dropshipping like 20 days ago, and at that time I wasn't able to put my banking info into Facebook, so all I was doing was learning how to do it, making listings and saving them as a draft. And then once I turned 18, which was a couple days ago, I was finally able to put my banking info in and actually start. So I've really been only doing it for around 5 or 6 days, but I mean, I have like 600 views on my listings, which isn't that good, but I mean, I really only just started, so no, I have not made any profit, but hopefully soon we'll get something. So stay posted.
Day 20. Took a couple days off, but I am getting back on track. Experimented with boosting and it really don't do anything. I don't think it's worth it. Day 21. Mainly focused on listing more outdoor furniture. Day 22. Worked on my shop today. Made a logo and watched some videos to learn how it worked. Day 24. Didn't do any listing today. I'm working on a new strategy I think could work very well. That's pretty much all I did today. Shopify update. I got everything set up and running. Made $72. But then my MyFbat account got restricted, so now I need to find another way to advertise until that gets fixed. Then I watched this video to release my stress. Two blacksmiths transformed a Chinese festival into something really lovely. Molten iron is launched into the air and makes an eye-catching spectacle when it collides. It flies through the air like little fireworks 1 second and then falls to the ground like rain the next. Here's a cool toy called the motor string shooter. A piece of string linked to the device flies out and makes a flawless loop with a simple button press. The stabilized line is USB rechargeable and highly fulfilling as the loop remains unbroken, and you experience a fantastic method to pass the spare time. A little
I'm here with my best friend. Best friend, show him your moves.
We all enjoy watching science in motion. And here's a shot of a man wearing a safety glove that emits electric rays. Look at the flow of the electric current. It's relaxing and pleasing to the eye. You've seen some impressive video. A major game appears to be on the horizon. On the newly mowed grass, this guy draws a perfect 20. Sure, the utensil adds flair, but notice how evenly he sprays paint. If I may say so myself, that is a wonderful job.
Oh
The The oil always Take a look at this frozen lake. The ice appears virtually undetectable, and the rocks underneath may be seen. Watch as a piece of ice breaks off over the pure lake. The rest is complete. Ice chilled but impressive. Snakes. After watching this video, I started working again. And I got 74 orders with Facebook Marketplace free traffic and $4,000 in sales.